And I am still within sights of the New River Gorge Bridge on US Highway 19. Making my way slowly up the mountain on a nice switchback trail. I have a feeling this trail was probably used for mineral extraction, maybe by mule. It's too steep to be a railroad grade. And I did find a little coal seam back there that had probably been excavated. Just a few minutes ago I found that. But what I've found here is these round layers in the rock. The minerals and the sand has actually been deposited. What looks like donuts, and maybe even a hot dog bun there. Kind of pretty to look at. And the darker colors you see there look a little rusty. Those are actually little bits of iron chunks in the sand that was deposited here. As many of you know, iron is a magnet, and at least the naturally occurring minerals in the iron as magnetic qualities. And they often stick together and form these strange shapes. When they should be laying down horizontally, they form these strange shapes. And I put my compass next to them, and there's enough iron in this layer here to actually cause my compass to deviate by about 30 or 40 degrees. So I don't know if there's enough iron in this sandstone to actually smelt down and make into steel, but there's enough here to be noticed, and it certainly makes for a real pretty layers in this sandstone layer. This is only about 3 inches thick where this formation is found, and then it goes back to normal sandstone bedding. So I'll have to read up more on this, but I almost think of this as like Mother Nature's seed potato. You put a small potato in the ground, and the iron is attracted to it, and it kind of forms these nice little concentric circles in several layers as the iron is deposited in these streams, from these streams into this, basically, which was a shallow bay here at the time that this sandstone was deposited. So that's what I've found in this hike so far.